Okay, I'm not going to spend too much time on this slide because if you're trying to find a polynomial function, in other words, you do have these zeros or x-intercepts, then this is what you would do. Negative 1 has come from x plus 1. Positive 2 has come from x minus 2. And positive 4 has come from x plus 4. That just means foiling this and then doing it again, multiplying by this. You'll end up with 6 terms because if you foil, well, if I do foil this, what's that? That's x squared minus x minus 2. And then can you see I have to multiply it by this? So x cubed negative x squared negative 2x, and then the 4, so plus 4x squared, negative 4x, I'm running out of space, negative 8, okay, so x cubed, right, minus x squared plus 4x squared is positive 3x squared, minus 2x minus 4x is negative 6x, and negative, so that should be that, okay? And also, if they get harder, you'll see things like this, okay, degree 3. So remember, that's x plus, oops, x minus 5, because the 0 is x is positive 5, sorry. Positive 2i's come from x minus 2i, and negative 2i has come from x positive 2i. Okay, so you'd have to multiply this, I'd multiply those two first. Remember your complex numbers, okay? So again, I'm not going to go on to that one. I'm going to look at a graph version of this. Okay, let's look at this. I can see the x-intercept is negative 2. Okay, so it's come from x plus 2. I can also see a positive 1, so it's come from x minus 1. And I can see a positive 3, so it's come from x minus 3. But I'm going to throw this at the start because we don't know whether it's going to be a 2x cubed or a 3x cubed or a half x cubed. Okay, because if I do multiply all these together, well, for one thing, what is 2 times negative 1 times negative 3? 2 times, thinking about if I was just to do those numbers, 2 times negative 2, that is positive 6. In other words, the y-intercept would be positive 6 if this wasn't there, but it's not. Look, it's positive 3. So somewhere, I bet you A is a half. Can you see that? Okay, because again, if I multiply that, that, and that, I would get a y-intercept of 6, but it's not. It's half the amount. So anyway, that's something else to think about. Okay.